Okay, so lesson 6, we're going to talk about two parts. We're going to talk about taking advantage of the spinner, and then we're also going to talk about tricking the advantage taker, so the yin and the yang of that spin competition. From here, first of all, taking advantage of the spinner, we know, most people know, is person spins, so that spin crescent or that spin hook, and they miss, that foot's got to land behind them. There's a split-second time that you have an opportunity to rush in and get that point. And note, how you rush in doesn't have to be as careful as it would be in a real situation. In a real situation, I've got to keep my hands up, I've got to still have a decent stance. In tournament sparring, I just got to touch him first. Back to that early lesson, I just got to touch him first. Judges will say break. My position after that doesn't really matter. So, you're going to have your partner, as they throw a spin hook kick, you just rush in behind it. He throws that spin hook back. From here, again, he throws a spin hook back, and then in, just make that quick tap. And notice I didn't go 1, 2, and make that punch and be effective in this position, because all I was worried about, this is enough for tournament sparring. My goal is to touch him first. It's a different situation. Okay? Now, the other side of that, taking advantage of tricking the advantage taker, is one in which you throw a spin hook kick, sell as if that's going to go back behind you, but you keep that in the front and you throw a round kick. You want that person that's going to rush in behind it. You want that person to end up running into that round kick. As a matter of fact, in the 2013 World Championship Finals, this is how Mr. Donnell beat Mr. Crutchfield, gave him the 2-point edge from a point up over Mr. Crutchfield with that same move. So, if he was coming in, if he knew the person was going to come in behind that, I'm trying to sell that spin hook kick from here, and then I'm trying to keep that there for the round kick. One more time, I'm selling that, and then coming in. Now, he's using the target. I want to take that as he starts, and back up just a little bit more, as he starts to move forward, I'm going to throw the spin hook kick in front of him, kind of a slow step forward, spin hook kick in front of it with the round kick landing it. So as he's starting here, and then making that round kick hit. It's a great target drill to practice to get that to be effective and trick that advantage taker.